Hello my dear friends, my name is Albert. Welcome to my channel. My dear friends, do you have a website? And this website is not ranking on the first page of Google? As well as let me tell you, do you have a question like why your website is not ranking on the first page of Google and your competitor is making money because her website is on the first page of Google? Maybe the reason you don't have technical knowledge, or you don't have basic knowledge of digital marketing, you don't have basic knowledge of SEO, or other reason could be like no one is there to guide you, or one more reason could be like you are not able to afford the SEO. My dear friends, then this video is for you. I have been explaining all the SEO things, whatever needs to be done step. If you haven't watched my previous video where I have explained basic knowledge of digital marketing, basic knowledge of search engine optimization, and then started on page SEO where I explained how to research keyword for your website and how to optimize meta title and meta description for your website so that that will help to rank your website on the first page. So this is another video of on page. So we are going to discuss few points on page SEO which will definitely going to help. And already I have told you that technical knowledge is not required. So wherever it is required, a very basic HTML or PHP, you know, even if you do not know, I will tell you wherever it is required. I will guide you what and how to do. So my dear friends, let's start few points on page SEO. So whenever you write any content for your website, so that whatever you write, at least that keyword should be present within the first page of within the 100 words. So whatever first paragraph you write, in that at least that keyword should be present in that article. So that is what I mean to say. So within 100 words that particular search keyword should be there. So, and once you are planning to write article for your website or blog, make sure at least minimum 300 words should be there. And while writing, make sure paragraph is not like a complete whole page is in one paragraph, because users even just think you also will not like reading all paragraph. So headings should be there and small paragraphs should be there, so that it gives impression like okay, so it is a very small, so you will try to read, or user will try to read complete thing to understand about your website or about your blog. So make sure about writing proper researched article for your website and blog. So next topic is keep your keywords in H1 title tag. So let me introduce what is H1 and H2 and H3 and why this is very important. So this is not much technical, but very like if you have basic knowledge of HTML, even if you do not have, let me show you what does it mean and how you can mention H1, H2 and H3 tag, H1, H4 tag, H5 tag and H6 tags. So let me show you practically so that you will be able to understand what and how to do. My dear friends, just let me introduce about H1, H2, H3 till H6. So see, you can open website w3schools.com and search for, here you can see H1 to H6. So here is the coding. So just click, try it yourself. Let me show you how it looks like. So see, example is given here. So whatever you want to write here, own page SEO and hit run button, then it will show. See, H1 tag is it is a bigger in font, and similarly like if you H2 tag, see here it will show own page SEO and run, it will show. So H1 is bigger in font, H2 is bit smaller, and H3 is a bit smaller than the previous one. So this is how it works. So this is the code for H1, H2, H3, H5, H6. So hope you understand what is H1, H2 and H3. After H1, H2 and H3 also you can keep as a subheading whatever title after that, like main keyword is in H1, and then in H2 and H3 you can keep any other keywords, sub keywords you can use and target through that also. It helps to, actually this is one of the SEO factor also, so you should take care of this as well. So next one is keyword density. So what is keyword density? So it means, like for example, you have in home page you have 1000 words. So if you are planning to target a keyword, particular keyword, let's take an example, previous example, hire carpenters. So hire carpenters, that word, that keyword should be at least 2 to 3%. It means if you have 100 words, then at least 1 to 3 times that word should be used, and also that should be within the first paragraph within 100 words. So that gives better result. And the next point is should not be keyword stuffing. Just opposite to that, you have to use keywords, you have to maintain at least 2 to 3%, but it does not mean keyword stuffing means within a paragraph there is only 100 words and you have mentioned 5 to 6 times. So that comes under keyword stuffing. So you do not have to use that, otherwise that is also against Google algorithm. So that also you have to take care. And next one is SEO friendly URL. So first point is make sure whenever you make website, like when you choose URL, so that should be like as per keyword also. It means a keyword should present in that URL. And should not be special characters, so only hyphen and dash, that is allowed. You cannot use anything and percentage sign, star. So these words actually that is not SEO friendly, so better to use only dash or hyphen. Should not be long. It should not be like if you have a very long keyword and you are targeting 8 to 10 words keyword, that also should not be there. You have to think, you have to plan what could be the better one. So you don't have to use the long keyword in URL also. URL should be in lowercase, so you don't have to use uppercase. Make sure whenever if you have a website, check if you have URL in lowercase only, and underscore should not be used. So this you have to take care while making website, or even website developer has done something wrong, you should ask to make changes so that it works, it helps to rank. Next one is content optimization. So content optimization means obviously the first point we discussed, like how you should in first paragraph keywords should be present, and check plagiarism before updating content on website. It means like make sure you do not copy and paste any article from any other websites. So you have to keep the content unique. You do not have to copy paste from others. So if it is there, like if Google finds duplicate content, then maybe Google will not index that. That will be considered as duplicate content. So that that is not going to help your website to rank. and the well researched content. So make sure whenever you make website, first of all you should prepare content. And also let me tell you one thing, this content or article for your website or blog should be as per your competitor. For example, if your competitor has a website and it has 1,000 words, so you should try for 115, sorry, 1,000 plus words article. So, and better than that. Otherwise, if you write, your competitor has 1,000 plus words, well researched, and if you are planning to compete with just 100 words, then obviously that's not going to work. So you have to take care of article also. First of all, already I explained in previous video that whenever you start or whenever you think for SEO, first of all you have to research your competitors, what others are doing, and how that website is optimized, what kind of image and content that that website owner is using. So accordingly you have to plan and think to compete that. You'll have to do better than that, then only you will be able to compete that competitor. So next one is optimization of image. So image should be with alt tag. I'll explain practically later on. And image should be unique. It doesn't mean you took image from search engines and you are uploading same image. Try to make unique image, because that is also like if you copy and paste same images which is used by your competitor, then definitely that images maybe Google will penalize you. So why that image will be indexed? Already that image is in Google database, so why that image will be indexed, same image? So make sure whenever you update image, that should be unique. And image should be compressed, means image size should be like better. If you update image, if it is very big in size, so it will impact your website loading speed. So that I will cover in next video also, that why it is very important to take care of sorry, image size also. So let me show you what is alt tag. And mostly I have seen most of the web developers they do not take care of it, just they design website and they hand over to website owners. So if it is not done, if you are not able to afford SEO agencies, not an issue. I will tell you, I will guide you how to add alt tag. So let me show you practically. My dear friends, let me show you practically how it looks like. See, this is the website hirecarpenters.in. This is one of the website. So see, this is Hire Carpenters. This is in H1 tag. So this is bigger in font. So this is one keyword. Hire Carpenters is the keyword. So website owner has targeted in H1. So you can see here also, just let me show you. So just here is the code. So if you search for H1 tag, see here is the code. So if you find like your website has any title, just to if you want to check whether that is in H2, H3, H4 or whatever it is. So search with H1, H2, H3 as I have done. You can see my screen. See, I searched with H1 and hit the enter button, then it's showing here. See here. See, here is it is in H1 title. Hire Carpenters, it is showing in H1 titles. So this is one keyword also. So that's what I'm trying to say. That's why I'm trying to explain that your main keyword should be in H1 title.